easy role assigning. So we have introduced default standard roles for hassle-free user management. So where do this comes in? When do this comes in? That's the first question. Simplify user management. That's the first advantage, assigning default roles to users easily. Then streamline permissions, ensure consistent access control across the organization. Then we have efficient user onboarding, simplify the process of assigning roles to new users. So how can we execute this? Let me show it. Yes. So this is a new instance that, or a new workspace that we have created. And in order to show you this update, a newly created workspace is something which has been updated after 7th of October. This is required because in the existing workspace, we won't be providing this. In all the newly created workspace, if you navigate to users and roles, which comes under company setup, here under roles, you could see few standard roles that we are providing right now. Like I told you, to all the newly created workspace which have been created after this update has been released. So those are accounts manager, purchase manager, and sales manager. So what is the advantage here? Let's think about this. Let's think about a situation. When you're first time onboarding into a software, you will have, or it will be just a single person that will be the full administrator, somebody who's having the full administrator privilege. Now, if he want to easily onboard an accounts manager, then what's the first thing that you will do? You'll have to go to roles, and then you'll have to create the new role, right? You'll have to provide permissions all along for all of these different modules that you will be working with, and then you will have to submit and save it, right? So just a second here. Then you will have to save it, right? That's a process. Right now, it's easy when it comes to an accounts manager, purchase manager, and a sales manager, because these are fundamental rules which comes in an organization. So we have to be straightforward with that. And everything has to be convenient in terms of these rules. So let me repeat it once again. For all the newly created workspaces, which was created after 7th of the month of October, you will be getting such predefined roles. Now, if you want to edit this, it's possible. You can go to the manage section, and if you want to edit it, you can edit it. And if you submit it, this will get reflected in terms of the account manager role.